Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how we can add simple logical gates such as an AND gate and an OR gate into our MasterTool project. So first thing you're gonna do is go into our user PRG program and let's open our toolbox. In the toolbox I'm gonna expand the Boolean operators and I'm gonna drag and drop the AND with two inputs. Drag and drop on our first network, and let's drag and drop our OR gate with two inputs. Okay, now let's close our toolbox. So I want these logical gates to be always executing. So I want to delete these normally open contacts, the first and the second. And now we can create some variables so we can test the functionality of these two logical gates. So our AND, I'm gonna create a variable called AND1. It's a Boolean type. AND2, it's also a Boolean type. And to check our output, let's create an AND output. Same thing with the OR gate, OR1, OR2. And to check the result, our output. So I'm in the simulation environment and I'm going to download this to the simulator so we can test this little bit of code here. So let's go to the online menu and press login. Yes, I want to log in. Yes. I don't want to download the source code right now, so I'm going to press no. Okay, so it is an AND gate, so the only way our output is 1, is the true value, is if both our inputs are 1, or the true value. So if I change my AND1 to the true value, I'm preparing the value 3. And to write this value into my variable, I press Ctrl plus F7. So my output is still false. It is only gonna be true when I have both AND1 and AND2 with the true value. So let's write true in our AND2 variable. Okay, so you see here that now I have my AND output with the true value. Okay, so the basic operation of an AND gate. And our OR gate. Our output will be true if OR1 or OR2 is true. So let's test it. OR1, let's write true. Okay, so the OR output is already true. If I write true on our OR2 variable, okay, it's also true. It's only gonna be false if both my inputs are false or 0. So if R1 is false and R2 is also false, then my R output is gonna be false. Otherwise, it's gonna be true. So the basic operation of the logical gates inside MasterTool.